So like creative zvofaradza breakdance because of vatambi vothe vane vava kuda kakaza chizvi ni vatambi vane kazi teams ne vava kuramba kazi vava vadeserving kumwana ava kudeserve kuti varangiwa vekatimu kura label ene havakaya iye havakaya because of angobva yabva wosainwa yakaemera kulabel kumwana saka this time maybe woringisa masters avo publishing yavo vachiravira muringa vanga but I guess now vatona vakwamburi ndechemapuraizi trying to make should repeat the same way that katumondana ngaitaira cheslazers ndichitaira hataise chila chinenge kutomonya kuchita chotamona zilazers atotamba bhora uchiwezo zilazers vachotanga chitaira chavo chezilazers you know is another podcast yo I guess this is a very long day. Tomorrow is Friday. I guess there will be donors dropping since I guess one side the time to go drop man. I guess because of tomorrow kind of West is also drop. Let's start there. I guess it's dropping one more toy. Hey, I guess it's dropping Nyana, but the Kariana now choose to go with but because I think like 2 weeks like I guess it drop some shit like I guess I could try time to sometimes we'll retrieve our for the ones who come music about Wuhan. This even an interview, Elani Aitanati Academics, I guess maybe he wanted to add this maybe time is on to new stuff, new art. So, because the one in the album, you know, they drop or it away. But we all know it's Kanye, he never misses. And I guess there was something about he doesn't own his masters. And then we don't know actually who owns his masters because of this catalog is very big, bro. Like catalog I want to Quran, so I guess he was complaining about not owning his masters, and masters is only Quran. So he was signed to the record label, but the person who owns the record label says he doesn't own his masters. How come matching about code and now own his masters because of you were signed to the same record label and Avakai, yeah, Avakai because of Angobia was signed by Yakim record label. So this time maybe masters are publishing here. But I don't think that I'm going to wear it. I'm going to stay here. Mara obviously not wearing it. Obviously, not a goes to Rotora. This guy, wearing his masters is our name. Mara. Don't think this was the time was it. At this time, this is sign a still without knowing. Even 9 the best promoter music. We didn't know he didn't know he come big and then he didn't know he would be this big. I guess maybe time I was to I'll be big, but I won't be big. It's such a weird that big right now. Because this is time I'll be big, but I won't be that big in the way that because of right now we're saving another run. No one has ever done it. He's saving another run. I paid him running in terms of music. Is running. And I guess so the end, but I think this was last year or last year that he's starting to have another big run. You got too much, so you run here. Starting to have another run, which is just look at him now. He's the most training person, he's always training who go to release music. So I don't know what it comes to running. So and he's doing it without a record label. Music as it is already being as a big publishing when you have a distribution as if so I guess this guy like I don't understand how he does these things and I don't know really how come much about this big albums now this have a big in such a way come on. I guess maybe time I didn't Grammy I guess but I don't think like they will give him another Grammy. I don't think they will give him another Grammy even though he wants another one. I guess they will just say this guy is always telling shit about us. It's Jews, so we must never give him another Grammy. As if we give him another Grammy, that means we have to give even Jay-Z another Grammy. So I guess that is the case. Even him pissing off all the thing. So I guess in the natural so thank you not be last to around though by a son of Susana Tampes and Arkham. I need to go push on one music one can look at him. Like he's really creative. I guess the nature of my son about because he's a creator. I depend on I have to do this, what other people are doing. So I guess that's the indigenous I'm doing. I have a different about. I don't know what the trust was me, so I was good here or about it doesn't depend on other people who are the trust was straight in a so I don't know, bro. Like, just have to wait to one album that they drop. My show, will it land or there's it finance the album one? But I guess this it never misses. Go on. Most of just look at good on Life of Pablo, even the I guess parallel as the GDP when he was doing it with Ty Dolla $ign. Go on. So with easy that dollar. So I guess even the Ty Dolla $ign authors one, yeah, I need to move away. Go on. But I think so the one on Zora album maybe the it's time. So tomorrow is the due date. Ricky is about to drop the highly anticipated album. I guess my ending was album in the so it continue on so this album here Ricky one. Will it be big? But I guess because of but obviously this album of Ricky is going to be big because of the card rate in general but and even the way you market wanga you market wanga ndlela ya sharp ngoma but when people kunothepa in car you bakolo bona uri this is album ine ri khou ita o ṱa roṱhe ri funa zwithu zwe a vha zwithu ri release ri funa uri zwi ḓo vha dzi ri ḓo vhona uri i ḓo tshimbilisa hani we don't know ri na the expect uri album i ḓo vha khulwane mara ri khou sedza album has to be big the way that we're expecting it to be big one because yes you can see an album can be big but when the album issue drop then they are still being a rare to be big but just because of the training got much love because my love mntwana ndilo zvine idorochiva mumwe namwe kaindasiri kutova kwaiposible this album is coming up this album is coming up go on so zvirikuona zviri kutoita mara I guess tange izotiva a big album izotiva a good album ine yatolaita mara I don't know bro like I don't know will mara will this reggae album be bigger than the Mass Country of AK? I don't know. It's just that even the AK Mass Country was so big in such a way. Hey, now you are a big one. But I don't know. But I just have to wait to the bonus. If you need to buy Quran and then if you need you could humor. And now trying to go through the album, Gila Mela should drop an album. That album didn't even work, like it was work. No one is still talking about it. And then I get drop an album. No one is still talking about it. Like, don't want to drop the albums was so very one. Ndizo zinararokamba uri ini what if naye kutoda music video so I guess right now ndiyona kunyongoshuta music video it's late bro like no one is still talking about the album auchina muthu anadho vha khou ḓi ambela ngeli album ndini muthu anadho vha kha ḓi amba nga izwo ahuna muthu ana kha ḓi amba nga iyo album because could be like this album dzizane kasi even no dia isoko album ngoma nene mune akesithange was umthwala hamwe so nje khona kuzamana achado that album ine ringa rikhe kudia like we still catch khayo rikhona ngo retouch body is the time ngadwa what if time ndio ine ngadwa joint but it's no longer like trending ine ngadre yes isko ba track ya team ya rounds just look at aba basazofuna uri wait everything aingochato yavanga ndiri rodizibona uri hai totiva track khulwane mara uri ive hit na aingochava ekesitangona vathu vane like vakona release track dzadi yachikana mona like yo MT vakona sipo vakona visa zuwo nazo zuwo dzavo dzakatomedza dzikachimbira dzikadia blind rachikana mara vathu vonga vamwe voyanga chifu nyinyi vatisikodzinjezi album. But after some time of album, I will no longer hear about it. I told album and respect to the good young London that is rival to a good young one. I was right there to me. They have blind that rebel about it, but album literally starting and I expect to eating and one. The danger album rice, Ponoga towns, and Abazi album is even Maka's album you last week, EPL it's not doing Andrea Rabbit eating taking a portion of this album. Because this album is number one because of yes, you are a mainstream artist. When it comes to the playlist, the albums and those who don't get on Nepal is also the amount of story. Your album may be big. I don't think this door big in Andrea Rabbit. But I just now turn to come. DJ Mampura is trying to make should repeat the same way that comes in the smallest. But I'm like, but they're not the same people. Even their sound is not the same. I guess you should try another style. Marashall style kama achieving Andre, Aitangayo comes at the small. I guess yes, even though we can say yes, DJ Mamposa is a visionary, but when it comes to be, I guess a piece there. I guess you're just giving me potential in the at what the potentially what we wanna like on comes at the small command. And even though we will have a big, I guess we won't be big the same way that comes at the small was. So I don't think zvinokunyanya kuzama hapana kuzomushumira nechemapurisa hapana I don't think uzomushumira ngandira ngori hatikubenda kuona album ichinga idova big nawe ndangatocheka kuti album iyi nditova big ikova big haikova like first of all aina hit that album does not have a hit aina track ina kurikeyo like ikodiya rune ringatori this track itapushira album auna track nati even though just that you score first go cool album mara aina hit nango album ndokura ne rapa it's a double disc mara aina hit nango itayo nango so artivi zorudo itemi rukonyaga ubona hit nango so itayo even though it's big mara auna hit nango if it is which is a try to that's it that's the device ngozi album is those over that year. Then after that is his album just that's how music works in Hong this man like didn't get it down music so that's the time. That's how the football said that day when I recorded the episode on Tuesday, I didn't see what was happening with Mamelodi Sundowns. There's fences out that's great time. But this means there's a lot of people they are bullies fences as the teams land in North Africa. Pass over that playing a man goals like they feel like they have to win the Champions League Marino Yanga Paris got at Amani and the stadium was fully packed. Cheers was not going to go over the Orlando Stadium, the bonus over the time in Orlando Stadium. It's about the other door when I'm most of what they did, they were vandalizing the stadium. What did you believe? But when you go to more questions to the stadium, Stellenbosch chikutamba ke Cape Town baba kuita sweswo now because it at first why the team is learning every time series that the South Africa is to more than the stadium out mara this dia zozora this the nyanga zo data ziko internet zakona kuzviita the dia zozora udiba rekodi ibala mara zidouya nyana DP alakli kuzotangana nami kana utoto wairo nzitoso za last 4 I guess this season you could to the cafe. If yes we cafe yeah we'll be grateful for it Champions League woman we'll be grateful to this week cafe so if you have cafe na bloody Sunday yes the way jana abina Sunday lele ukidivo yo mana Sunday ina ku suka because same finance and the Champions League itomo repa iti because of being last season you work last 4 and last season I do before got to qualify because group stages I let me at the last season and I rather and then got to the penalty and I think Garum was missing the penalty that day and that day I was really terrifying for us. We bounce back big. Right, yeah, number 1, I click at group stages, number 1, yeah, number 2. This matter for number who that could and as soon as to come. That football in South Africa like is growing more. That's likely right now, it's no longer that big team like we are scared of it in there. No, they actually likely it knows. In the way, yes, it's just got the young like as I am. Yes, they will go on South Africa view. Yes, they not number Dianiki, and there is no like you could as lasers that you never could among and as under one stairs, how you could more than I stairs as lasers. Like we stare at the situation you could moon which it to among us lasers. Out the time of ball, which were those lasers. I should tang as stairs out as laser. I reach as laser, my minutes and I'm like between I've been doing what I'm in the air, where I won up South Africa. mara kunovesa Mamelodi Sundowns ndiko nyanga kutamba nga dzi lazy ndicho nyanga kutamba nga dzi lazy aitambe bola icho tamba nga dzi lazy mara never say Orlando Pirates ichi kuita nyanga kutamba nga dzi lazy vari kutamba bola straight. If we are losing we are losing, there's no uri tori kunyanga vatambi mini kutamba dzine no utotamba bola kumwe. I guess Kaizer Chiefs we must not talk about it because there's this sort of way they are being imathandani. Not in terms of the coach, because of coach is there. Come on. No coach, come on. Your father is the average player. So, man, and it's like Kaizer Chiefs your father is the average player because of but I'm going to bend over with the Kaizer Chiefs. But I'm going to teams never walk around because Baba deserve come on. I will deserve but I'm going to catch him. I was work as a chief. I was on a potential. Yeah, I guess it's the who do river wash who wanted to say the thing because the chief. And actually, I no develop our time. Mutamesi kono yana. Mutowazi to mention one. The praise you, Genesis. I guess I could touch Kimo Chava. If you can check for another, if Mark is playing, Udova no ya kujimsa. Baizanya chimu DHK mabasaje mabasata matamu if mabasa chimu baizanya chamudia mahobaje aroro tor korimini one mutoto maroko to represent mutambo ni use that and no if akutam kutotam then if akupara kutoba kuparea uzotor to aroko mu represent mutambo uri mimi to akujina michimu na mwa kaba we safe matter unoskoma mu kwende umthethwa udaba batani because Stellenbosch yakhe akachisa abamntana akuba abamntana baphuma manje to to nothing happens so the resist reblame coach ara reblame batanga reblame the department balo urani bo asset so chiefs reblame coach ara reblame batanga kuma reblame because of those things vakuita ndiko padai. But still at the barrel of 30 points. Still at the number 8. I've been to New Toro, even on continued. But I was the work to the engine continued. Maybe it's the hour about 10 areas. Yes, that's how it continued. I don't say, since I would have continued, she chooses this is it. I will get umbrella. I guess I always I guess the royal when we deductors point is okay. I don't know. But what they need to learn and that one is bad. And as long as you know have a blame because I don't know what to do. But I guess she will pass very big one. This is a hustler. Bangasum is a hustler. You to know to cover. Just that it's a football bangasum gone. But I started try you. How much did she best? But this is the long search that it was your PSL. The from Wayne Boys. You have a time. Rather than dressing room movie catch a bag is lost. Zone is news over a man. Often was music to those spoke about time is Saturday, whatever so and you are one. I guess now you were sending memories about the first thing we were the boy okay. I know last time border. I'm in a place and I guess dream yo okay true. But not many and this and offer us to no Kaizer Chiefs maybe you will be a better player than I. But so I don't know you the barrier and I guess of you Ricky also now that time woman training. I don't know why you should feel when you go detectors pointers of the Baby is going to I guess what you Chiefs 3.0 is the 6.0 line maybe na 33. And the 33 economy 30 points. So I guess time without payment as well. And that's the other thing. What's happening with the entire like when you go Nigeria, you wanna say this 15 year sentence because of no for violate prohibition because of can you send as a threat to someone. I don't know, but I guess but they think to send someone a threat and it was a witness on that case. So this they trying to would all Nigeria you save a sentence here 15 years. I guess at the end of my child is the probation is never consigning concern. But those but smart but never the Zura wait but the Zura like chill the person that I guess not one what to obviously vha ḓo dovha humela back kha khori vha ṱuwe vha khou ita vha vhe khoma vha ite zwithu zwiḽa zwine vha vho ḓo zwi ita so I thought uri ḓo ita mini kha mara I guess uri has 15 minutes without doing any criminal apena sika lova dzhelo la over I guess over dzhelo nga November December zwa zwino so ono khakha zwino ndi April ono khakha athu fhedza na 5 months outside mara literally ono khakha vho vho misa dzhelo so na vho ḓo vha vho ḓo zwi vhona uri khosi ngo sainisa na ya 10 ngona ngitsi also release a statement saying you I didn't do it whatever na vha vha khou ḓi vha tshi vha sainisa ma statement I guess that vha vho zwi uri they will never convict him because of case yene no siko ṱanganana vho Linwood was supposed to amba zwinhu zwi sa pfali and there was the star witness killer case going on and the problem is that everyone was telling I guess ndi ene anti or ndi vhathu vha vhili uri vhararu vhane a vho ngo ita zwo ṱwa vha khou amba vho ya court straight just kana no zwi amba just that ndi zwithu zwine zwi ita uri mini zwi ḓo vheiwa fhasi hu sa vhe na zwiṅwe zwine zwi ita mara ḓo vhona uri ite and the certificate and Barcelona and Real Madrid are going to play together in the final. This is the second, it's the second final year because of Rotamana going to the Cup Femini Raila. Then right now Rotamana can Copa del Rey final. We don't know can do the Tamana. I think the 23 one Rotambe Emo El Clasico. Then you want to use the Tamana. KUEFA now una chance to do the Taman Kamika final because of Zingapanga puzzle. So una chance if Zanga winners madoza sikuzotangana kana kha final. So ingaba mumesi muhulwane isato zatangana kha final. Ari ṱoḓi vhona mara ṱoḓi vhona uri ḓo itea mini. Mas unga tea zato zasikudzangana kha final. Mamuri vana ndi yero zwa roṱhe. Ingaba isara abedi ayikubere. Mara itibere like Barcelona. And the first match una match we are dia kwanda va ready bowl. Ari ko ibaisa somehow. I don't know if but I guess it's the battle money. It's the good eye. We're not long as those that's not. No, you know, it over is those days are to move to one. Over is those days were at to one. Come on. Over is those days are high. But it is no longer a personal is not a smart. Over is those days. I guess the way to this one or I have written Kuran Malaya. Na island in Nicola. So the one rather it is a time is the champion and I have to get him. I don't think like getting Andre or whatever we told but in Kuranika. The one also is a Chimbisan to Timsan with the Itiani. So the mission treaty of South Africa. I guess we won't talk about the SABC level case. Bobora, the guy who comes and guy like his. What else? Line up full line up your Macasi over your tay. Any Mayo Pena, man. Because Tango, who do that, we don't know. Coming means the name with and kick us longer now. The ones who they tell me, you now she took down, the ones who they tell me. What else? Show them cosines, you know, I keep selling up. Chef is some cosine. I guess I'm going to run since my cousin don't want to show younger, you won't be successful. Madam Butinyas. I guess I'm going to show you when I'm going to that's why I quit and I private. That's an even a president. I quit and guy. But I guess was those who do that one because of future one and if I love that. And I want to do I guess no push pushings, no post that I post and all my put it last week also we got perfect. Because it's a boy because in Africa we are again.